In this video, I'll show you how to fix GeForce Experience installation cannot continue error. Firstly, you need to update your graphics drivers. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphics card and select Update Drivers. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your graphics card from the list and click Next. This will install the latest drivers. Once the drivers are updated, close the Device Manager. Now access the Manage Nvidia files. Go to C Drive and click on View tab. Ensure that Hidden Items is checked. Open the Program Data folder and navigate to Nvidia Corporation, then Downloader. Open GeForce Experience application and go to the Drivers section to find your latest driver version number. In the Download folder, look for a folder starting with the same version number as noted. Open that folder and locate the corresponding driver installation file. Now double-click the drive file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.